In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your account on Zoho, making sure you understand each step thoroughly and can follow along without any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First, you need to log in to your Zoho account, which is the starting point of this whole process. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the URL accounts.zoho.com. This step is crucial because you need access to your account settings to proceed with closing your account. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to your account settings. You can easily access this by clicking on your profile picture, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. A small menu should pop up when you do this, and that's where you'll find the option labeled My Account. Go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to a new page specifically for your account settings. Once you're in your account settings, your goal is to find the section for closing your account. This might seem a bit hidden, so here's what you need to do. Look to the left-hand sidebar on your screen and scroll down until you see the option Close Account. It might not jump out at you right away, so take your time to navigate through the sidebar options. After you've located the Close Account section, you'll need to click on it. Now, this is an important part of the process. Zoho will present you with a warning message. It's essential to read through this warning carefully. This message will inform you of the consequences of closing your account and ensure that you are prepared for what happens next. Once you've understood the warning, the next step is to provide your account password. This is a security measure to make sure that you are indeed the account's rightful owner who has requested this action. With your password entered, you'll find a button that says Close Account. Click on that, and it sets the final steps of your account closure in motion. Now, at this point, Zoho may ask you for some feedback regarding your decision to close your account. This is optional, but it can be helpful for the company to understand your reasons. Additionally, Zoho might send you a confirmation email as a final measure to ensure that you intended to close your account. Be sure to check your email and follow any additional instructions if required, as this is often a part of finalizing the account closure process. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated through the process of closing your Zoho account. Remember to double-check any steps if needed, and ensure you followed through with any email confirmations. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and until